It's Patrick at Pals. Well, our Jeep is coming along. Dylan's got the old clutch out. Dylan, explain to me what's going on.
Well, they got a little heavy on it.
Oh my, it's metal to metal. There's nothing left there, is there?
Yep. Well,
Now see how it's got some material on this side? That's the way a new clutch looks. It's got material on it. But you look on the other side, it's metal to metal. What did that do to the flywheel?
it scored it up pretty good.
Wow, you can see the heat spots.
But you can really see it here on the pressure plate. This is where the metal was at.
Wow. So the metal was on the pressure plate.
Yep.
So the clutch goes in between these two.
It was this way. You got hat side down,
Okay.
hat side inside,
And goes down there.
goes down here.
And so the material wore out and it destroyed the flywheel. So we're going to go back with a new flywheel.
Flywheel, new pressure plate, new clutch disc,
And this is a throwout bearing.
throwout
down
bearing, brand new throwout bearings going inside. You can
here. You can tell, you hear that it's rubbing, isn't it?
Yep.
It's not smooth. Now, you got the new clutch, and what happened? It wasn't a bolt-in situation, was it?
No, it wasn't actually. Let me show you the pins that we had to remove.
So the clutch is now in. We've got the pressure plate there. But you can see these little pins are a different length for the new clutch because the new clutch is actually shorter than the old clutch and it wouldn't line up.
Retrofit system, basically. You can use the clutch in multiple applications, but we had to take the dowel pins out and use the supplied bolts.
And so this is just another thing you need to be aware of when you're changing out a clutch. The new part that you get to fit in may not be the same as the old part. You may have to retrofit it. If you've got a clutch and it goes bad, bring it to Pals. We'll make it easy. See you soon.